Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Chromebook is updated and the Play Store is enabled. This lets you install Android VPN apps. Once done, pick a reputable VPN that supports OpenVPN or WireGuard so you get stronger security and speed. Sign into that VPN or create an account now and keep your username, password, and any activation code handy. This prevents interruptions during setup. Make sure you understand why. Play Store apps integrate better with Chrome OS than manual edits to system settings. You install the VPN app, open it, and grant the permissions it requests. This allows the VPN to route traffic on Chrome OS. Next, choose a nearby server for speed or a specific country for content access, and pick WireGuard or OpenVPN for better performance and security. Make sure to enable the kill switch and auto-connect on untrusted networks so your traffic never leaks. If you need local printers or services, set split tunneling. Otherwise, route all traffic for full privacy. You now connect the VPN and verify it shows the new IP and location. This confirms your traffic is protected. Once connected, enable always-on or background VPN settings so reconnects happen automatically. Then update the app and reboot the Chromebook to apply changes. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Re-enable the Play Store, update Chrome OS and the VPN app. Then reinstall the VPN and test a different server. This fixes most connection and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.